Hi, I'm California probate litigation attorney Scott Grossman. If you're supposed to inherit from a probate estate, you may have concerns about the executor administrator, and those concerns may be so grave that you want them removed. Well, today I'm going to discuss both how to remove them and the reasons California recognizes for removing them. Any person who has an interest in the probate estate can file a petition for removal of the personal representative. The personal representative is either the executor or the administrator of the estate, and the petition for removal can be combined with a petition to appoint a successor personal representative. When the petition is filed with the probate court, it's the probate court itself that is supposed to issue a citation to the personal representative, and it should set a date for what's called an order to show cause hearing, meaning it's a hearing in which the personal representative appears and explains to the court why they should not be removed from their position as personal representative. And what's oftentimes important to beneficiaries is when this is issued, the court has the ability, while your petition for removal is pending, to suspend the personal representative during the course of the proceedings. Now, the probate code sets forth the reasons that a personal representative can be removed. The first of them is that the personal representative has wasted, committed fraud, embezzled, or mismanaged the probate estate. And then our probate code adds, or they're about to do any of those things. Those terms ought to be self-explanatory, and they're really quite broad. What it really means is if you've got a person in charge of the estate who's either doing a terrible job or has actually caused losses to you, they are subject to removal. The second reason that the probate code provides is because the personal representative is incapable of carrying out the duties of their office. Now, in pragmatic terms, what this oftentimes means is there's something terrible that has happened to them. Either they've been physically injured and no longer can perform, or there's been some kind of cognitive impairment that's been diagnosed. But the language is broad. So if you have somebody who is just simply sitting on their hands getting nothing done, and so the administration of the probate is dragging along, this section can be used to address that as well. The third reason provided by the probate code is because the personal representative has neglected the estate or has neglected to carry out duties that they're responsible to carry out under the probate code. So here again, we've got the probate code addressing the situation where you simply have a lazy or incompetent personal representative. The fourth reason is a catch-all, and it says that removal is necessary for the protection of the probate estate or the interested people, meaning the people who are going to inherit from the estate. And this is deliberate. This is there because though the first three reasons are awfully comprehensive, our legislature recognizes there could be some absolutely valid reason for removing somebody because some kind of damage is going to be done, but the first three reasons, for some unknown reason, just don't address it. So those are the reasons that the code provides for removing the personal representative. Now you know the procedure for removing the personal representative and the reasons the court will accept for removing the personal representative. If you're successful in removing the personal representative, it is a guarantee that the court is going to order them to account. And in the next video in this series, I'm going to discuss objecting to that account. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the subscribe bell, leave us a comment. We'll be glad to respond if you do, and give us a thumbs up.